As you can see, I'm wearing my raincoat. My hood is up, and I have my umbrella with me because I'm going to go outside and it's raining today. Now, you probably know that rain comes from the sky and comes from the clouds, but how does that all work? How does the rain get into the clouds? What is that process? Well, we're going to talk about it today. We're going to talk about different types of rain that comes down and the different types of clouds and what we should do when we have really dangerous rain like thunderstorms. So I'm going to read to you a book. This one's a nonfiction book, which means it gives us real information. It is called It's Raining, written and illustrated by Gail Gibbons and published by Holiday House. I hope you enjoy it and learn a lot about rain. It's Raining, written and illustrated by Gail Gibbons and published by Holiday House. Dark clouds fill the sky. Some people pull on boots and put on raincoats and hats. Others pop open umbrellas. It's raining. Rain is water falling from clouds. Water is necessary for all plant life and animal life to survive on Earth. When the sun shines and warms the air, water vapor rises up into the sky. This is called evaporation. As the water vapor moves higher into the sky, the air becomes cooler and cooler. Water vapor soon turns into millions of water droplets. This is called condensation. And on the page, you can see a diagram of the water cycle, which means the constant movement of moisture on Earth. There's the water vapor. Water vapor is made up of very tiny particles of water that we cannot see. And then condensation. Condensation occurs when water vapor turns into little liquid droplets. Clouds will form when enough droplets come together. As droplets join together, they become heavy enough to fall toward Earth as raindrops. Some of the rain goes back into the soil. This is called groundwater. The rest of the rain ends up in oceans and other bodies of water. This is called runoff. Different kinds of rain clouds. Stratus rain clouds. Stratus clouds produce drizzle or light rain and are low in the sky. They are spread out across the entire sky. Nimbostratus rain clouds. Nimbostratus rain clouds are dark and bring steady, heavy rain. When clouds look dark to us, it is because there are so many water droplets in the clouds that the rays of the sun can't shine through. Cumulus rain clouds. Stratocumulus clouds and altocumulus clouds. Stratocumulus and altocumulus clouds produce drizzle or light rain. They are patchy, puffy clouds low in the sky. Cumulonimbus rain clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds are dark, heavy, and piled up high in the sky. These large clouds bring lots of rain. Cumulonimbus clouds can be taller than 60,000 feet. That's 18,288 meters in the sky. Where it rains in North America. The amount of rainfall during a year varies from place to place all around North America. In the map and in the chart, you can see which parts of North America, the continent that we live on, gets the most rain. Yellow shows very little rain. Dark green shows a lot of rain. And around the world. Rain helps determine the kinds of plant life in all regions of the world. It also helps create the level of water in streams, rivers, lakes, and oceans. And again, this is a map, and it shows the different amounts of rainfall all across the world. In some places, it never gets warm enough to rain. The rainiest places on Earth are located near the equator, where the air holds the most moisture. The equator is an imaginary line around the middle of Earth, equally distant from the North Pole and the South Pole. Rain falls from clouds in different ways. Drizzle. When very small raindrops are falling lightly, people say, "It's drizzling." Shower. A shower occurs when the raindrops are larger than drizzle. A shower lasts for a short amount of time. If the sun shines during a shower, we call this a sun shower. Rain. Rain occurs when the raindrops are large and come down steadily. Everyone tries to get out of the rain. Rainstorm. A rainstorm is when there are gusty winds and rain comes down for a long time. Tree branches can get knocked down. Caution, stay away from windows. Thunderstorm. During a thunderstorm, it gets dark and windy. Raindrops come down hard and fast. People try to stay safe indoors. People cover their windows to protect themselves from flying glass and other objects. Thunderstorms can be very dangerous. There is thunder and lightning. Lightning is a flash of electricity. When raindrops bump against one another violently, they make electricity. Lightning is so hot that the particles of water vapor in the air around it expand. Boom! The powerful noise is called thunder. Flash flood. Sometimes meteorologists warn people of an approaching storm and possible flooding. A flood can bring great danger. Meteorologists are scientists who study and predict the weather. A flash flood is rapid and sudden flooding usually caused by heavy rain. A rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall. The information is downloaded by meteorologists onto their computers. Floodwaters can rise quickly. People living near streams, rivers, and lakes are sometimes advised by meteorologists and authorities to evacuate. To evacuate means to leave the area. People are told to move to safer places. Some people go to shelters. A shelter is a place where people go to be safe until they can return home. After a major rainstorm or flash flood has passed, there is often damage. Cleanup crews get busy. Power lines are repaired. Damaged trees and branches are cut up and taken away. Homes and buildings may need repairs. Workers and volunteers come together as cleanup teams. Roads may be washed away. When strong pollutants in the air come down with the rain, it is called acid rain. Acid rain can cause damage to trees, crops, and all living things. The use of gasoline, oil, and coal adds pollutants to the air. Without clean water, plants and crops may die. People and animals suffer too. Many people are looking at new forms of energy such as hydropower, wind power, and solar power to help cut back on pollution. Hydropower is created from the movement of water. Wind power is created from the movement of the wind. Solar power is created from the heat of the sun. Sometimes while it's raining or just after it's rained, there is a rainbow. The order of the colors of the rainbow is always the same. How to stay dry outside when it rains. A jacket, rain boots, hat, poncho, rubber shoes, and of course, an umbrella. How to stay safe during a thunderstorm. When there is lightning, never stand near or under a tree. The tree and its roots will carry and transfer electricity that can hurt anything near them. Don't swim in water out of doors. Water attracts lightning. As soon as possible, take cover inside your house or a large building. How to stay safe inside during a thunderstorm or a flood. Make sure you are in a safe place with an adult. Bring your pets inside. Listen to weather forecasters to be on alert. Stay away from windows and doors. When there is lightning, stay away from anything that can transfer electricity, such as water faucets or electrical appliances. Make sure you have fresh water, battery-powered radio, first aid kit, spare batteries, non-perishable foods, and a flashlight. Rain, rain, rain. Fog is a stratus cloud close to the ground. A drought happens when it hasn't rained for a long time. There is no water, so plants can't grow. Monsoons are extra heavy seasonal rains that fall mostly in Southeast Asia. As much as 1 foot or more of rain per hour can fall during a monsoon. Both the place with the highest annual rainfall and the place with the lowest annual rainfall around the world are found in South America. Freezing rain is very dangerous. When warm raindrops fall and hit cold surfaces, ice forms. Streets and sidewalks become slippery. Electrical wires can snap. There is danger everywhere. Each raindrop is made up of about 1 million droplets. Throughout the world, there are about 16 million thunderstorms a year. Count the seconds between a flash of lightning and a clap of thunder. The bigger the number, the farther away the storm is. A rainbow is an arc of 7 different colors. It forms when sunlight shines through drops of water. And in the sign, there are a couple websites for you to go to learn more about the weather. Well, that was a lot of information about rain and all the different types of clouds. Hope you learned a lot, and I hope you learned that when we do get a bad thunderstorm, we should stay indoors and be very safe. So have a great day, everybody. I need to go outside into the rain and do a little work. So enjoy, everybody.